The internal accessory platform for the 3VA1 and 2 is universal across the range. So starting over here with the slimmer devices, we've got our short circuit alarm switch, electrical alarm switches, lead changeover switches, trip signal switches and auxiliary switches. You'll notice colour coded for ease. Moving on to the larger devices, we've got the undervoltage release device and the shunt trip device. And then this device is a universal, which has the shunt trip and the undervoltage release all in one unit. So to install this, we need to isolate the breaker, pull the front cover off, and if you're unsure where to install this, you'll notice it's imprinted on the back of the cover. On the left there it says universal, so we're going to install it on the left. To install it, simply bottom first and then it clicks in. That's now installed, and then you can wire in the terminals at the top.